Entry tax on packing materials used for tea manufacturing. Hindustan Lever Limited is a public limited company having a tea manufacturing unit at Dharwad and various other units which also manufacture tea. HUL claimed that the Dharwad unit is a new unit and is therefore exempt from payment of entry tax on packing material of tea as per notification dated 31st March 1993. As per notification dated 23rd September 1998, issued under Entry Tax Act of Karnataka, packing material is entitled to pay entry tax at the rate of 1% and not 2%. Hence, for the other old units, HUL was liable to pay entry tax at 1%. HUL claimed that the packing material should be 100% exempt from entry tax in case of Dharwad unit. It also argued that for all the other old units, the packing material should be taxed as raw material at the rate 1% under Entry Tax Act. As per 1993 notification, entry tax is exempt on raw material, components or inputs used in manufacturing of final product. On the other hand, all the authorities under the Entry Tax Act, that is, the Assessing Authority, the First Appellate Authority, and the Karnataka Appellate Tribunal, held that the packing material cannot be regarded as raw material, component parts, or inputs used in the manufacture of finished goods. Therefore, as per Entry Tax Act, such packing material is neither exempt nor chargeable at lower rate of 1% on basis of the notifications of 1993 and 1998. Karnataka High Court upheld the decisions of all the lower authorities on same basis.